Welcome to our channel, where safety meets inspiration. Today, we're diving into the third segment of our O's Essential series. Now that we understand the basics of O's and the principles of workplace safety, it is time to dive deeper into the types of hazards and risks that exist in everyday workplaces and how they can impact workers' health and safety. So let's get to it. Segment 1. What are workplace hazards? A workplace hazard is anything that can potentially cause harm. Hazards can appear in many forms. 1. Physical hazards, slippery floors, sharp objects, loud noise, or heavy machinery. 2. Chemical hazards, toxic chemicals, gases, fumes, or flammable substances. 3. Biological hazards, viruses, bacteria, mold, or contaminated materials. 4. Ergonomic hazards, poor posture, repetitive tasks, or lifting heavy loads incorrectly. 5. Psychosocial hazards, stress, bullying, harassment, or workplace violence. Recognizing these hazards is the first step in preventing accidents and illnesses. Segment 2. Understanding workplace risks. A risk is the likelihood that a hazard will cause harm, and the seriousness of that harm. Example, a wet floor is a hazard. If no one walks there, the risk is low. If many employees pass without warning signs, the risk becomes high. By assessing risks, workplaces can focus on the most serious hazards and implement safety measures to prevent accidents. Segment 3. Common workplace hazards and examples. Let's look at common workplace hazards. 1. Slips, trips, and falls. Wet floors, clutter, uneven surfaces. 2. Electrical hazards, exposed wires, overloaded sockets, or malfunctioning equipment. 3. Machinery hazards, unguarded machines or improper use leading to injury. 4. Chemical exposure, burns, respiratory problems, or poisoning due to unsafe handling. 5. Ergonomic hazards, long hours at a poorly arranged workstation causing back, neck, or wrist injuries. 6. Fire hazards, flammable materials, blocked fire exits, or lack of fire extinguishers. 7. Stress and mental health hazards, heavy workloads, harassment, or unsafe working conditions. Each hazard carries its own risks, and often multiple hazards exist in the same workplace. Segment 4. Assessing and prioritizing risks. After identifying hazards, the next step is risk assessment. Consider likelihood. How often could the hazard cause harm? Severity. How serious could the harm be? High likelihood and high severity risks must be addressed first. Using a risk matrix helps prioritize safety measures effectively. Segment 5. Controlling hazards and reducing risks. To control hazards and reduce risks, follow the hierarchy of controls. 1. Elimination. Remove the hazard completely. 2. Substitution. Replace dangerous materials or processes with safer ones. 3. Engineering controls. Use barriers, machine guards, or ventilation systems. 4. Administrative controls. Implement safety policies, training, warning signs, and supervision. 5. Personal protective equipment. PPE, helmets, gloves, goggles, masks, and protective clothing. Remember, safety is a team effort. Everyone, workers, supervisors, and management must work together to ensure a safe workplace. Conclusion and call to action. Workplace hazards and risks are everywhere, but most accidents are preventable. By identifying hazards, assessing risks, and taking proactive safety measures, we can protect lives and create safer work environments. If this video helped you understand workplace hazards, like, share, and subscribe to Bizrit HD for more safety tips and O's guidance. Stay aware, stay safe,